Hi, today I'd like to show you our Naviate Objects On-Off tool palette. The Objects On-Off tool palette allows you to quickly go through and turn on and off any of the Civil 3D objects within your drawing. Here we can come through and cut off individual surfaces. We can also cut off individual corridor sections. We can also come through and cut off individual profile views within our drawing as well. We can cut off individual pipe networks, and it cuts them off in both the plan view and in the profile view. Notice how we can quickly turn back on any of those Civil 3D objects without having to deal with style changes or any type of layer settings. One of the additional benefits to the Object On-Off tool palette is the Hide by Style function. Here we can come through and then modify the Naviate Off style to go through and display alternate things. So in this case, when we set our object on off and cut off our finish grade, now we have the option to display our triangles for quick edits in surface modeling. And we can switch right back to our standard style. I hope that Naviate's Object On-Off increases your performance in your drawings and speeds up your design process. Have a great day.